Hello class 2, how are you children? I think you all are fine and you have enjoyed your puja vacation well, isn't it? And now we are end with our vacation and we are about to start with the class as we are approaching towards our half yearly exam, isn't it? So today we will do chapter 24 of your book GK. It is your GK class. I'll take your GK now, and in GK I will take page number 38 today. Okay, this is your GK book. All of you know that junior knowledge, isn't it? And GK and the chapter is 24 and the name of the chapter is making music. Chapter 24, the name of the chapter is making music. Here you can see the picture of some musical instruments, isn't it? I think some of you have seen all this instrument, if not few, if you have seen few of them, isn't it? But I know that you all you all like to play music, isn't it? You all like music. So these are the musical instruments. Now what we have to do, let us you take out your book, open your book at page number 3838. Okay, now here what we have to do is we make music with this means with the help of this musical instruments. Now unscramble their name. Now here the names are not written properly, you have to unscramble them. Jumble words, we do jumble words, isn't it? So you have to unscramble the name of the instruments given here, but you have to arrange them properly. Okay, then how do we play them? We play the musical instruments sometime by beating them, like mridanga we beat, isn't it? We beat the drum and then the music comes out. And sometime at times for some musical instrument we have to breathe, isn't it? And some needs blowing, isn't it? Suppose when we play that flute, isn't it, then we have to blow, isn't it? So then we press also. Where suppose you are playing the harmonica, then you have to press. Then harmonica actually needs wind to blow. Okay, now we need to blow it. Okay, so keyboards, when you play piano and all, then also we have to press the keys, isn't it? So now see here what we have to do. First of all, we have to unscramble the names of the musical instrument. Then how do we play them? Write B for beating. Now write B for beating. So we beat the drum, isn't it? Like, then H for shaking. Some musical instrument we have to shake. Then for that we have to write H. And some needs blowing. You have to blow it, okay, to make the sound. Then K for pressing the keys, and for some instrument we need to press the keys, okay. And S for plucking string, and S for plucking the string. Okay, S for plucking the string. Suppose there are some instrument, for that we need to pluck the string, like sarod, isn't it, guitar. So here we see some instrument with strings, and for that we need to pluck the strings. Okay, so let us first of all, what we will do, we have to unscramble the name of the musical instrument given here. Done. Now take out your book, open your book at page number 38, and you will do along with me. Okay, chapter 24. First of all, we look at the picture. What is this picture? And these are the letters given. So this musical instrument is known as sarod. The first one is done for you. Okay, this first one is already done for you. This is not the first one, sorry, this is the first one. This is the first one, Marcus. So this is done for you. Okay, now Marcus, you have to shake. So we have to write H for shaking, right? So M-A-R-A-C-A-S, Marcus, that is already done for you. Now number 2, which instrument is this? This is sarod. So it is given here S-O-D-A-R. So this sentence words are not arranged properly, letters are not arranged properly. So what will write? Sarod, S-A-R-O And here you can see maracas here. See here H is written, letter H. This means for shaking. Here see sarod. Okay, this is also an instrument, and here you can see one space given. So here what you have to do, how do we play sarod? With the help of, here you have to write, we make use of the string. So we'll write S for plucking the string. So here we have to, when we play the instrument sarod, then we have to pluck the strings. So here you'll write S. See, I have written as I have written S, and here sarod. Done. Now here see one more musical instrument. Most of you are familiar with this instrument. This is harmonica. So you have to unscramble it first. Then you have to write how do we play it. With the help, we beat it or we press the string, the keys, or how. So let us do. At first we'll unscramble this and then we'll write here. Okay. Write down harmonica. H A R HARMONICA, and here we will write wind with the help of, by blowing, W for what? Blowing. We blow it, isn't it? Like this way we play harmonica. We have to blow it. So here you have to write W. Done? Done. W for blowing. Okay, now come to the next one. Next picture. This is what? This is tanpura. You write down and unscramble it. T-A-N, tan, P-U-R-A, pura. So tanpura, number 4. So it has got strings, isn't it? So you'll write S beside the picture. Tanpura. Done? Okay, it has got string. Okay, so S for plucking the strings. Now next picture you can see, this is very familiar, you all know this one. This is mridangam, isn't it? Now how do we play it? By beating, isn't it? So at first you have to unscramble it, mridangam. M-R-I-M-R-I-D-A-M, G-A-M, mridangam. And then you have to write mridangam B, isn't it? Mridangam B. B for beating, yes. See, this way. Mridangam B. Done? Now see, next one is, this one is done, this one is done. Number 5. Then see, this is also a very common musical instrument, isn't it? This is called cymbals. S-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Sorry, C-Y-M. C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. C, write down C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. C-Y-M-B-A-L-S. Now, how do we play this cymbals? We have to beat it this way, isn't it? This way we beat and then the sound comes out. So here you have to write B. Beat. We beat it. This one. Done? Then come to this one. What is this? Saxophone. So write down saxophone, S-A-X-O-P-H-O-N-E. Okay. So number 7 is saxophone. So how we play it? We have to blow it. Okay. By blowing. So you will write here W. What you will write here? W. See. Number 7. This is the instrument. We have to blow it. Okay. So we have written W. Now next one. santur. This is called santur. So write down it. Unscramble. We have to unscramble it. SANTOOR. Santur. This is what? SANTOOR. This also we have to beat. We have to beat it like this. Okay. So here you will write B. Number 8. Number 8. Santur. B. Here we have to write B, means beating. Okay. Now last one. This is harp. HARP. So write down first. Unscramble it. Now it has got string. You can see in the picture it has got string. So you will write S beside it and then HARP. Harp. This musical instrument is known as harp. And here, as you can see, the string. So you have written S, isn't it? So these are the name of few musical instrument and how we play them. Okay, how do we play all this musical instrument? So children, write it fast, send it for correction, as this is there in your exam. See this, see properly. Done. So this chapter will come in half yearly, chapter 24. And here what you have to do, children, remember one thing, you have to learn the name of few instruments only. Okay, no need of, not in detail, everything will not come in detail from this chapter. Only 2 or 3, 4 names you have to learn. I may give the question like, give the name of, write the name of some instruments, 2 instruments or 3 instruments. Okay, then you have to write down the name of 2 or 3 instruments. Okay, as accordingly, means whatever the question will be there. So as you see the instruction, follow the instruction. So read the question and then you have to write the name of some of the instruments. Okay, so here you no need to learn in whole detail, means which instrument is played how. No need for this time. Just learn the name of the musical instrument for this term. Okay, so write this properly and send it for correction as you all send. If you have any query, then you can ask me. Okay, and thank you. Have a nice day.